Are you looking for professional private blog network websites built for you? Do you need cost-effective domains and private blog network maintenance? Then look no further than PBN Builder Kings. Our team of experts has more than 20 years of experience and a proven track record of success. We are the leading professionals in the PBN niche, and our sites are built under the watchful eye of the owner of the biggest and most valuable PBN network in the world. Our professionally built PBN sites and networks expertly control all site-side footprints to ensure maximum link juice is passed to your money sites. Our PBN Management Services ensure that your private blog networks get the professional attention they deserve. Properly managing your PBN networks is essential to keep them healthy, problem-free, and well-powered up. So, what are you waiting for? Let our knowledgeable team of professional PBN Builder Services make your PBN websites stand out from the crowd, while ensuring they stay under the radar. Visit our website at pbnbuilderkings.com to learn more and get started today.